Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Begin with opening Settings. After that, scroll down and click on Face ID and Passcode. Now enter your current passcode and tap on Setup Face ID. Now you need to choose Get Started and then follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can click on one of those options. Use Face ID with a mask or don't use Face ID with a mask. If you want to use it, you need to set up your image with your mask on. If you want to, you can always click on Setup Later and decide some other time. Now click on Done. Over here you can click on Set up an alternative appearance and click on this switcher next to Face ID with a mask if you wish to add those face images as well. Now click on those switchers next to all of those features under Use Face ID 4 to enable or disable it. For example, if you don't want to use Face ID to unlock Wallet and Apple Pay, click on this switcher next to it and choose Continue in the pop-up. If you wish to enable it, just click on the same, now gray switcher. So now when I go back, turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face ID is working properly. If you wish to disable Face Unlock and delete your Face ID image, you need to click on Face ID and Passcode once again, enter your login method, scroll down and choose Reset Face ID. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!